Hi again, this is DV for Precision Ecom. I'm here to tell you a little bit about, answer one of your questions. One of the questions is about sustainability. It's like, well, can I really make a living? Can I actually turn this into a business? Well, I have a little program, a little strategic idea. So what's the point of a side hustle? It's to make quit your job money. Okay, so quit your job money. What does that mean? Quit your job money means basically you've worked your business up to the point where now your side hustle or your side business is replacing the income that you used to receive from your paycheck from your employer. So you're working for yourself now, you're making your own money, you're making your own decisions, and you've got a business, a side hustle. Maybe it's part-time and you're slowly, quietly working on it until it gets to the point where now your income from your side business becomes your main income. So basically what we're trying to do is replace a paycheck. And I call this employee money. And you're just trying to replace that. You're just trying to replace that. But guess what? Quit your job money is actually more valuable than employee money. And I'll explain to you how with some simple numbers. Let's say in America, the average income, the average is about 50K. So you have to earn 50K. Now you earn 50K and they take out what? Taxes. They take out payroll taxes. They take out Social Security taxes. They actually take out, it's estimated that you will spend around 30% of your money in taxes. So let's just say that this now gets divided by 30%. And basically what we're left with is somewhere in the realm of, say, $32,000, right? $32,000. Now you've got expenses. You've got expenses, car expenses, you've got home expenses, you've got electric bills and things like that. And basically these are all expenses that you cannot write off because you're an employee, okay? So your expenses are going to take another, what, 20,000? Okay, 20,000. And if you're lucky, at the end of the year, and if you're lucky and you work really hard, at the end of the year, you're left with about 12 grand that you can play with. 12 grand that you can invest, $12,000 that you can put towards your kids' retirement or your kids' education, your retirement, $12,000 that you can play with, go to Cabo, blow it all in Las Vegas. It's your $12,000. But 50K for an employer. What does quit your job money actually look like? Quit your job money is simple. All you have to do is earn or clear $100 a day. You're crazy. You're telling me, you're talking to me crazy. I make twice that amount of money. You got to clear $100 a day. If you clear $100 a day for 365 days, you will be left with $36,500 at the end of the day. Then you take that money and you're not paying the same amount in taxes, right? You get to take all these write-offs, right? As a business owner, you get to take write-offs. You get to write off your electric bill. You get to write off part of your rent. You get to write off any part of your office, anything, any part of your gas, any of these fees. Okay, you get to write it all off, right? And you take that 36.5 and you deduct a little bit for taxes, let's say 10 grand, and you deduct a little bit for your expenses, let's say another 10 grand, and you're actually left with 16.5, which is a greater number than $12,000. You actually can earn less money with quit your job method and end up keeping more of it because of the tax benefits, because of the write-offs, and because of how the money actually works for you. So you can earn less and keep more, so the value is greater. It's pretty simple. This is really simple math. This is what I like to call quit your job money. If you want to learn more about starting a side hustle or just starting a business that you'd like to turn into quit your job money, you need to go to support@precisionecom.com. Send us an email. You can go right up here, like this, and then right down here and comment, ask your questions. We'll be right away to answer them. You can go to precisionecom.com. and you can fill out our contact me form. That's how I will know that you want somebody like me or another very qualified trainee to get with you and kind of explain our process and help you make a buying decision. So I'm Dan, I'm here for Precision Ecom, and I want you to profit, make you profit, quit your job money.